PS Vita homebrew scene has grown a lot since I started making content on this channel back in 2019. Today we see so many different types of games, plugins, and apps to enhance the experience on the handheld console. In this video we'll be taking a look at a plugin that allows you to earn trophies in original homebrew games. Just as if you're playing a normal Vita game that supports trophies, it's a very easy process, so let's get into it. Start off by going into Auto Plugins 2, make sure it's updated to version 2.08. If it's not, the app should update itself. Just accept and download the update. Under Vita plugins, scroll down to the end section and find the NoTrpDm by Renegade. Press X to enter the page and press X again to install it. Once it's installed, press start to exit and your Vita will automatically reboot. You should now be able to play games that support this plugin and unlock trophies. If you updated your Vita DB app to the latest 1.9 version, there are new icons shown next to games that support this plugin. If you see the trophy icon, that means you can earn trophies with this game. There's also a filter to help you find all the games that have trophies to earn. Under Filter, select Apps with Trophies. I was able to earn 2 trophies easily in simple FPS platformer, so this plugin truly works. Let me know what you think in the comment section on this plugin. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.